Good morning, welcome to New Orleans, Café du Monde. Why are we here? Well, we're not doing a food tour, but everyone says you need to come to Café du Monde if you want to have breakfast in New Orleans. All they do is beignets, nothing else, tea, don't even do tea, just do coffee. There's a band playing outside, so I don't know if you can hear me. Hopefully you can, but it's extremely busy. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, a bit of a late start for us. But okay, when the food turns up, we'll show you what you get for your, what is the price? $4.53 for 3 beignets. And then we continue the rest of our day. Let's have a look around here. As you can see, it is extremely busy and extremely loud. And over to the side here is where we have the band playing directly outside. And we get to see a horse-drawn carriage at the same time. But yeah, really busy, really loud. Let's hope oh, it's cash only as well. So yeah, maybe just call that, but it is cash only here if you are coming. Luckily I've got some cash on me. Right, the food will be here in a minute and I'll show you what you get. Okay, so the food's turned up really quickly. So this is what $20 gets you. It gets you, well, 6 beignets, which are these big donuts covered in sugar, a nice latte, orange juice, a couple of glasses of water, all served in a polystyrene mug. So it's a bit of a tourist trap, but let's see if the beignets are any good. Ow, they are hot. This is hot, hot, hot. Here we go. This is probably too hot. I'm probably going to have some damage. Sorry about that. So it is just a big squidgy hot donut. Very similar to the small Dutch pancakes. Give me a P, can't remember what they're called now. Profiteroles or something like that. Difference is they cover all theirs in not only ice and sugar, but you get them covered in Nutella. They're a lot smaller. They're very similar. Is it worth $5? Well, it is only once here in New Orleans, so you might as well make the most of it. So having successfully managed to eat 3 of the beignets, final little comment on them really, is they just taste just like a fairground donut, but a bit less greasy. If you're wondering what they taste like, there they are. Fairground donut. Put normal sugar on them rather than ice and sugar, it would be a fairground donut. I quite like fairground donuts. Our kid today is taking a tram ride. So we found, I think this is one of the old original trams. It's in green. I think the red ones are newer. Bought a ticket, all-day ticket, so we can jump on and off the tram cars. The green one apparently goes in a big circular route. So hopefully, that's struck. So hopefully we can stay on here, see a bit of New Orleans, nice and breezy, on an old tram. Just spin you around and have a look. So that's our view out the front. So this area here, as we're heading through the Garden District, is just so completely different from the Bourbon Streets, Royal Streets, and all the French Quarter. Don't really expect to see track maintenance taking place while you're on the track. That's exactly what's happening. So you can see the streetcar in front of me here. This actually began running in 1835. They got powered in 1893. It's been continuously running ever since. And so it is actually the oldest running streetcar in the world. It's not a bad record, is it? We've just ridden it one way and now we're going to ride it back the other. So that's a ride along the St Charles Street streetcar. So I'm going to give it a montage there of some of the properties you'll see and that sort of stuff all along the way. It's a good hour and a half ride actually, but no air conditioning either. But windows are all open, doing a breeze blowing, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, St Charles streetcar, 50 streetcar ride. That's that done. Right, next stop probably be the Mardi Gras Museum. All that, I need to get a drink. Water. It's fine. Ever heard of Brennan's or Brennan's Banana Foster? No, normally, but apparently it's the place to go if you want to have a banana foster, which, to be honest, looks just like a banana split. But it's literally just around the corner from where we're staying. It's on the to-do list for New Orleans, apparently. So that's what we're going to go and do before we go to Mardi Gras World. And it is lunchtime, so why not? Let's go and have a look. Okay, so this is inside Brennan's. Quite a nice looking restaurant. I've just ordered like an English muffin to start with ham and cheese, that sort of thing. Okay, lunch has arrived, so we've got some egg hollandaise on a bit of maple bacon and muffins. A little Bloody Mary's turned up. We scoffed our way through most of the bread. And then we have shrimp and grits over here with a watermelon fizz. Right, let's crack in. Let's do a quick test and see how good these eggs are, shall we? Thank you. Yep, that passes the egg test. We're all good to go. 5 minutes later.
So what we have here is a giant slab of really good European butter, Plugra, really the best butter. A cup of brown sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. Not too much, just a tad. And then I'm going to take this, this is a banana liqueur.
I didn't record that.
Okay.
No. So the 5 minutes of cooking the banana foster has resulted in this. The 5 minutes that I thought I was recording, I wasn't. But this is the end. Let's go for it. It's a warm one, so that's lunch out of the way. That's the muffins and bananas. Next up is we're going to grab an Uber. You can grab a free shuttle from various hotels, but not from our one. And I really can't be bothered to do a 10-15 minute walk to find the right hotel to get the shuttle from. So we ordered Uber, just under £10 from where we are in the middle of the French Quarter to the Mardi Gras World. This is a place where they store and manufacture a lot of the floats used in the big Mardi Gras. So that's what we're off to now. Let's go and have a look. It looks like our Uber's arrived. Let's go. Well, so after a 10-minute ride, we found ourselves at the entrance to Mardi Gras World. Behind me is a couple of giant kings and queens. Just see them there. We're in a bit of an industrial estate in the port area. So it's not the most glamorous looking location. But anyway, I'm not sure we'll be walking back. Probably have to get the shuttle or a taxi back. But let's go in and have a look anyway. Ooh. It doesn't look like there's anybody here. This place is huge. Tour and gift shop entrance. Okay, it's over here. Maybe they have queues or something normally. Okay, let's go into the entrance. No admittance, valid ticket, purchase tickets. So yeah, looks like in here is where we go get the tickets. Let's go get a ticket. Okay, so we just paid our entrance ticket. $29, just under, well, in so many cents, so it's just $30 each, call it. What you get for that is a entrance to this place, and then a tour. Tour's going to start in about 15 minutes time apparently. So these look pretty cool. Join the family. Let's just spin you around so you can see what there is. Usual sort of finalia really. T-shirts, postcards, cups. Okay, so we'll give it 5 minutes. We've got our beads. First time we've been given any beads. This is shows you pay to get in. Right, we'll wait till the tour starts and I'll rejoin you. Okay, entering the world of Mardi Gras. This is where they make all the models. I'll tell you what, they haven't got any aircon in here. Little baby elephant. So most of these are made of styrofoam nowadays. The older ones are fiberglass, but now it's styrofoam, then they cover them with paper mache and paint them. Interesting, some of these could be made and then not be used again for another 10 years. All depends on what theme the different crews want. And if they've already got something they can remodel, they will. If not, they have to make it. Oh, and a little reminder from home. That's a tour of Blaine Kern's Mardi Gras World. Apparently they've got about another 14 warehouses, and that one was huge, where they make all the models. So cool. They are a for-profit organisation. The actual floats and operators of the floats are for not-for-profit, but these are guys who get paid to make all the gear, and they do it very well. So yeah, if you can't get the Mardi Gras, this gives you a small flavour of it. Cool. I think that's it for the day. See you tomorrow.